If you want to create a music video in 2026 and actually go viral, then you need to follow a smart and simple process. In this video, I'll show you the exact way I create music videos using AI tools, even if you're not a professional producer or editor. First, you need to create your music. You can use tools like Suno AI to generate a full song based on your idea, mood, or genre. Whether you want a romantic track, a dance vibe, or a heavy bass club song, just focus on getting a clean and catchy audio. Once your music is ready, the next step is visuals. Now you need to create images for your music video. You can use ChatGPT with image tools to generate characters and scenes. First, create your main character or characters and make sure the style stays consistent. Then plan your video scenes based on the song length. On average, you can use one scene for every 4 to 5 seconds. So if your song is around 2 minutes, you'll need around 25 to 30 images. Create all those scenes with different poses, backgrounds, and emotions that match your music. Once your images are ready, now it's time to turn them into video clips. You can use tools like Kling AI or Google Flow to convert those images into moving video clips. This step brings your scenes to life and makes your video more engaging. After that, bring everything into a video editor like CapCut or any editing software you prefer. Add your music track, arrange all your clips in sequence, and match them with the beat. You can add simple transitions, light effects, and timing adjustments to make the video smooth and engaging. This is where your video actually comes together. Now the most important part, going viral. Don't just create random songs on different topics. Pick one type of feeling and stick to it. For example, only romantic songs, or only dance songs, or only club style bass music. When you stay consistent with one vibe, your audience understands your content better and your channel starts growing faster. Upload similar style videos again and again, and that's how you build a viral music channel in 2026. And if you want to go deeper and learn my exact step-by-step workflow, including advanced tips that I personally use to create viral remix videos, I've created a detailed PDF for that. In that PDF, I've shared the full process, hidden tricks, and things I don't usually explain in videos. You can check it out if you're serious about growing your music channel faster. So keep it simple, create music, generate visuals, convert them into video, edit properly, and stay consistent with one style. That's the real game.